Yo, what is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing pusher fans for my 3000 GT. Now I'm doing this because I have a 94 radiator and fan setup, and the way I have it wired up is basically the fan comes on when the key's on or when the headlights are on. So I have to have the headlights on all the time, and I don't want to mess with the chassis wiring system too much, or the chassis wiring harness too much, because I plan on getting the 91, 93 radiator and fans. The AC fan does work, but the radiator fan, it only works on low, so it does tend to overheat just a little bit. So I'm going to put these pusher fans on, and hopefully it'll help with keeping the car cool. So these are the fans. I got two 10-inch fans, and there's not that much space, so you kind of have to keep the fans small. So the radiator does go up to about like right here. The batch bar is in the way, so there's like an air dam, a plastic air dam you see here, and it basically encapsulates the whole thing. And then right here it starts to, I don't know, explain it. The air dam comes inwards, and so at the top All right, guys, it's been a couple days since I last recorded a clip, but what you guys will last see is probably me finishing the wiring. Anyways, so this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. You can't really see it. If I zoom in, you can see it. But yeah, I want to paint them white, but now this is not really going to be like a how-to guide. This is my first time doing something like this, so definitely know how to. So here's where I have my relays, my 2 relays, and I have the grounds mounted behind where they mount on the bracket there. I've got most of the wires go from one relay to the other relay, so the fans have their own individual wires, and then there's only one wire that powers both of the relays. That's jumped, and then there's one wire over here. If you guys see me trying to find switch 12 volt, you can use the wiper motor, and that's what powers the relays. And don't mind the wiring, I have to redo it. So one thing I do want to point out is this fan is a SPAL fan, and this is the eBay fan. Now I got a SPAL fan because it was overheating even after I saw the fans and have them wired on. And so I was like, screw it, I'll just buy a SPAL fan. I can only afford one, so I bought one, but I will be swapping the other one with another SPAL fan and painting the blades white. And then I'll redo the wiring and do a how-to on it when I redo the wiring. Now, unfortunately, probably going to be down for a little bit. The water pump gasket is leaking. So whenever the car warms up, the water pump gasket slowly drips onto the ground and then it loses water. So I have to get that fixed. I'm probably going to get that fixed off camera. I should probably show you guys how the fan sounds. So I'm going to go grab my keys and show you guys the fans. All right, you guys probably can hear it. You guys can't tell, that one is the eBay, the loud one. SPAL one's actually quiet, but it does that one makes a lot of vibrations. It was worse when I had both of them. When I had both of them, it was really bad. But the SPAL fan is good quality. It's actually quiet and it flows a lot of air. The other ones, the Amazon ones, they are really bad, and a lot of the mounting things broke because of the vibration. So I have to get a new like fan mounting kit whenever I get the other SPAL fan. I will be doing another video once I get the other SPAL fan. I will be like redoing everything, and then I'll do like a full actual guide, but this is more or less just a video just showing that I put the fans on my car. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you like this content, please consider subscribing and let me know your thoughts on the fans.